Cardio or strength training? Which one actually gives you better results? Should you hit the weights, run for miles, or do both? Today, we're diving deep into the ultimate fitness debate so you can choose what works best for your goals. Let's get started. Cardio and strength training are two of the most popular forms of exercise, but they deliver very different benefits. Before you decide which is best, let's break down what each one does for your body. Let's start with cardio. Cardio, short for cardiovascular exercise, gets your heart rate up and improves your overall endurance. Here's what cardio is great for. Burning calories. It's one of the fastest ways to torch calories during a workout. Heart health cardio strengthens your heart and lungs, reducing your risk of cardiovascular disease. Weight loss. Combine cardio with a healthy diet, and you'll shed fat effectively. Mood booster. Cardio releases endorphins, those feel-good hormones that fight stress and anxiety. But here's the catch. Cardio burns calories while you're doing it, but it doesn't build much muscle. And muscle is key for boosting metabolism long-term. Now let's talk about strength training. Whether it's lifting weights, using resistance bands, or doing bodyweight exercises, strength training is all about building lean muscle. Here's why it's powerful: builds muscle. The more muscle you have, the more calories your body burns at rest. Tones your body. Strength training sculpts and defines your muscles, giving you that toned look. Boosts metabolism. Muscle tissue increases your resting metabolic rate, helping you burn fat even when you're not working out. Strengthens bones and joints. It's excellent for preventing injury and maintaining bone density as you age. But unlike cardio, strength training doesn't burn as many calories during the workout itself, though the afterburn effect keeps your metabolism revved up for hours afterward. So, which is better, cardio or strength training? The truth is, it depends on your goals. Goal: weight loss. Cardio helps you burn calories quickly, but combining it with strength training is the key to long-term fat loss. More muscle equals faster metabolism. Goal: muscle tone and strength. If you want to tone up and get stronger, strength training should be your focus. Aim for at least 3 days a week. Goal: endurance and heart health cardio reigns supreme here. Activities like running, swimming, or cycling will boost your stamina and improve heart health. For most people, the ideal fitness routine combines both cardio and strength training. Here's a simple plan you can follow each week. 3 days of strength training. 2 to 3 days of cardio, 1 day of active recovery, like yoga or walking. This approach gives you the best of both worlds: fat burning, strength building, and overall health. So the next time someone asks if cardio or strength training is better, you'll know the answer. It depends on your goals. Mix them together for the ultimate results. Which do you prefer? Cardio, strength training, or both? Drop your answer in the comments below, and don't forget to like this video, subscribe, and hit the bell for more fitness tips. Let's crush those goals together.